Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the Escape Rollator. It's probably the best rollator you can buy. So right here is a super low and like a gray. There's no wires all down this pipe. And this one's the standard height in blue. So 19-inch seat height, 21-inch seat height, and these are adjustable. I'm going to unbox in this box the standard seat height. So when it comes in, it's going to be packaged just like this. Sometimes the bag might be off, but usually it's on, and if that's the case, I'll show you how to do that. It's a fairly light rollator. It's an X series fold. It'll last forever, really will. There's a lot of accessories you can buy with this unit. Slow down brake system, cane holder, like a little bottle holder, it's okay. This one's gray and this one's the 24, so if someone's taller, they'll probably like this one because the seat height's 24 inches and the handlebar height goes up pretty high. So inside this bag will be your manual, and then you're going to have a backrest. The backrest will have the screws and bolts on it, and this is adjustable, a couple adjustments. If you get it and it's locked, there's a release lever right there. Just pull that out. It's a new feature they put on this, and you can fold it up and it locks it. If you don't like that, you can turn it off so it won't do it. But just remember, when it's locked, it won't unfold. You'll like that feature. So, putting it together, pretty simple. Grab your armrest or your handle. Take these packaging slips off. As you can see, this would be the wrong way if these are facing out. So the slots will be in the inside here. This is kind of what you got to be a little careful with when you do this one. You don't want to push this before this is ready to be pushed. So if you watch this little thing, it'll kind of fall into place. Do you see how that moved? Then you're good to lock it. If you do it, it will press on this and it won't really mess it up, but it kind of will. You just got to be careful with it. But you'll know if it's not right. So just again, watch how that moves. Lock it. So it's right at the line's right at the top, if that helps you. But I usually tell people to watch that little thing. So now, brakes down. If you do it wrong, these brakes won't lock. This little thing right here helps you get over a curb. It's got a nice bag in here, and then some storage compartments, one on each side. Really nice tires. They really did a good job. So the next thing you do, really quick, is you put the backrest on. So on this one, if you're like 5'10", 5'11", or if you have really long legs, you'll like having the 24-inch seat height. And you can determine that height by sitting in a chair and measure the seat height of the chair and what you like, if you haven't. This can be put in. You just put it right through. And you just screw it in. Just enough to where it doesn't like go all the way through. And you repeat the process on the other side. There's a little cut in there, so it kind of fits it. I usually put my finger there and then tighten them up. Just with a regular Phillips head screwdriver. So that's how you put it together. Again, what I like about it is if you have a narrow doorway, because it's about 25 inches wide, you can pull this up in the middle and make it through just about any doorway without it falling over. And then it comes right back out. So 24-inch seat height, 21-inch seat height, and the super low. Give us a call at 803-926-2224. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. This is the Escape Rollator.